Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Gabriel Chaparro. So let's talk about buying and selling cryptocurrency on Crypto.com app. It's really simple to use. The buying is pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. You can use your bank account or your debit card, which is actually really cool. Not everyone can do that. The debit card feature is probably one of the biggest reasons as to why Crypto.com grew so fast. And that being said, selling, it can get a little confusing, and sending and receiving money can also get confusing. So we're going to focus mainly on that. But Crypto.com is actually one of my favorite apps that I use besides Trust Wallet, which is another app. But Crypto.com is where I buy all of my currency, and it's just really easy to use. And you can even set up recurring purchases. For example, if you want to keep investing into Bitcoin for the long run, or maybe you want to invest into Helium or CRO in the long run, you can keep those recurring purchases coming up. So that being said, I'm going to show you my screen real quick. It's going to be pretty simple, pretty quick run through. Let's get to it. Let's go over buying, since most of the time, as soon as you log into Crypto.com, you're going to be looking to buy. So click on trade at the top, click on buy, and then you can type in, or even just scroll down and find the crypto, but there's a ton of them. So let's just type in Bitcoin. So type in the cryptocurrency that you want, select on Bitcoin or whatever it is that you're looking for, and then type in the amount that you want to buy. You're typing in Bitcoins here, not US dollars. So just notice the top, the USD, the value goes up according to the Bitcoin value. So if you pick one Bitcoin, then you're looking at about $50,000. So you can also, on the left hand side, click on recurring purchase. It's the one that looks like a clock. You set up a recurring buy if you want to automatically purchase or invest into certain cryptocurrencies that you firmly believe. I think this is probably one of the best strategies in investing, is averaging your way in instead of buying in multiple chunks. But everyone has different ways to go. But setting up a recurring buy is nice and effortless. Again, not financial advice here. But that's as far as it gets to buying. You can also add your credit card here or your debit card. And I mean, if you've ever added any credit card or debit card to any transaction, then you know how to do this. So you can just click on the debit card you already have on file, or set up a new one, and then select what your payment type is going to be, and then just move on from there. So as soon as you sign in, you're going to see the home page, and at the top you're going to have the top gainers. On the bottom left hand side, click on accounts, and you're going to see crypto wallet, crypto earn, and fiat wallet. So your fiat wallet is just anything besides crypto, like your euro or the US dollar. And your crypto earn is going to be cryptocurrency that you hold and you get paid in interest. And then crypto wallet obviously is just your investments, or anything you want to get paid in, like Bitcoin, Nervos, Helium. So here we're looking at CKB on the Nervos network. If you click on that, you'll be able to see my deposits. You'll see the chart, and you can change the time frame on the top. You can also buy and sell here and make some transfers. So if you click on transfer in the top right hand side, you see deposit and withdraw. Again, that's pretty common. Deposit means you're depositing into that account, and withdrawal means you're going to send that CKB somewhere else. So let's just say, for instance, you want to receive something you never had before, for example HNT or Helium. Type that in and you should see the chart, and again with the same options, buy, sell, and transfer. So if you click on transfer, you're going to be able to see again deposit and withdrawal. So if you're depositing, or someone is paying you in Helium for the first time, click on deposit and you'll see your address right there. So just click on the right hand side where the two pages are at. You're going to copy that, or you can just share the address to your contact, and that should be good to go. If they just so happen to be standing right next to you, you can use that QR code. So let's go back and do a withdrawal this time. So top right hand side, click on transfer, hit withdrawal, and then click on external wallet. When you click on external wallet, you should see the option to add any addresses. If you already have it there, then you're good to go. Once you add an address, it'll probably take you back to your email to confirm it. So when you do that, it'll actually exit you out of the app. You're gonna have to restart this process over again, but the same process applies. Just add the wallet address, type in the wallet name of the company or the person that you're trying to pay, and then hit continue. Again, this is where you're going to eventually be taken back to confirm this transaction on your email, and then you're going to start this process over again, like right here. So hit external wallet just like you did before, and then when you have it, it should pop up right then and there. I just didn't add another wallet address just for this example. If and when you send any cryptocurrency or you receive any kind of cryptocurrency, you're going to get probably two set of emails, one saying, hey, request received and request confirmed. You'll get the received one first. That just means that, hey, you were initiating a transfer or a deposit into your account, just like any other bank account, and then you're going to get the confirmed one, right? So If you pay attention, these emails right here are just about an hour apart. So don't be alarmed, don't be surprised. You're processing these currencies through a network. So it's going to take some hash power. It's going to take some time for this stuff to actually go through the network. So just be patient with it. Once you see your request there, it is going to happen. Your money is secure. That being said, this is an email right here from the actual confirmed deposit that it was successful. Once it's confirmed, you're good to go. You can deposit it. It's all in your account. No one else can touch it. No one can cancel that withdrawal. Like I said, it's pretty just common sense. It's very similar to a normal bank account. So once it's confirmed, you can deposit that, distribute that into any other cryptocurrency that you want, or maybe even sell it for just US dollars and cash it out. Let's say you do decide to go ahead and sell. Go ahead and hit trade, sell, and then you can pick whatever currency you own already. So I own Bitcoin, Nervos, and Crypto.com or CRO. And so select whatever you want. I hit CKB. And you can trade it for other cryptos like you see here. I have CRO selected with the check mark. You can also trade it for BTC, which Bitcoin, and you can select how much of that you want to trade. So this is how you can invest into other currencies. So if you go ahead and click on the right bottom side where it says max, or you could just type in a random number and then hit confirm. When you do so, you'll be able to trade in as much currency that you want, right? So some of them do have a minimum, so just pay attention to that. And then notice at the top right hand side there is a timer, and if your timer hits, then your price expired. Basically it just means that the currency is no longer the price, most likely, and we want to give you a refresh so you get the most current price and you know what you're trading. So again, if that happens, just start over, hit sell or buy. In this case we're doing sell. Go ahead and hit the currency that you want to exchange to, and you should be good to go. Now let's say you want to trade it in for your actual dollar amount so you can cash out to your account. Go ahead and click on the right hand side where it says fiat wallet on the top, and then select USD. Type in the amount of USD that you want to get. So notice at the top it says $270, and just select that it is okay. So select the amount of currency you want to exchange and then hit confirm. Once you do so, you're going to see a deposit go through on your email, and you should receive that notification just about immediately or soon after. And then when it does, then you know your transaction has gone through. If you didn't get that, then you might want to start looking into it, investigating, and seeing if something didn't work. You can also double check on your accounts, and it should say pending. So that's another indication that it worked. We're going to do the exact opposite for a withdrawal. So click transfer, hit withdrawal. Select the bank account. Here's where you can add your bank account. If you already have it listed like I do, you can just go ahead and click on it, and you should see the blue check or the green check that pops up for you, and select the desired amount that you want, and then hit the withdrawal. If you're adding the bank account, same thing applies like last time. When you add it, you have to confirm on your email, and then you should be good to go to restart the process. Now if you're looking to buy a cryptocurrency for the first time, it's pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to go over it too much, but instead of clicking sell, just click on buy. And then top up using the debit card or your bank account. It's like I said, it's really straightforward, so there's really nothing much to it. Just select the amount that you want, buy your currency, and then you're good to go. So I'll put the link in the description down below. If you haven't already signed up with Crypto.com wallet, go ahead and do so now. It's pretty cool, and you get a nice debit card. You can pick out different debit cards that have different features. You also get 25 bucks upon signing up. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this to be helpful or beneficial to you, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button if you think this can help you out. And it really helps me grow on this channel and get to where I need to be, so I can help you guys get to where you need to be. So again, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time.